Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you fix message blocked on Gmail. Fix the message blocked issue on Gmail. The easiest solution is to check if the recipient has accidentally blocked your email address. If not, you could review your email content for potential spam triggers like excessive caps, suspicious link, or misleading subject lines and revising accordingly before sending again. So for that, what you could do is actually go ahead and open up your Gmail. You could tap the trackbar icon from the left hand side bar, scroll down to the bottom and click on help and feedback. Once you go to help and feedback section, here on the search box you want to type in message blocked. When you type in the prompt, you could see file type blocked in Gmail. Press the first link that comes, and here it clearly indicates that there are a number of reasons why you may find the file or message was blocked, present a potential security issue, error in Gmail. Now Gmail blocks messages that spread virus, like a message that includes executable files or credit or certain links. At the same time, message that have attachment as well. You could go and read about all of these and see whether if you have any sort of familiarity with the message as well. If that doesn't seem to be working out, what else you could also do is you could go ahead and make sure to try updating your application. So go to your Play Store, on the search box type in Gmail and check for an update. Now updating app can actually fix it, so you could actually go ahead and click the update button and see whether the issue fixes or not. Or else, if you're still facing issue, you could reach out to the recipient and explain the situation, asking if they can check their spam filter settings or not. Despite of doing all of these procedure, you're still able to fix it. Then, if you believe your email is being blocked unfairly due to technical error, you could contact Google support for assistance. So you could go ahead and open up your Gmail, open up a browser and type in Gmail support, and here you could go ahead and let them know the issue that you're facing, and they will be able to provide you with a clear instructions. So I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.